In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more quota in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. As you probably know, when you hit that Generate button on the ElevenLabs website, credits are deducted from your quota. This is because the audio has to be generated for you to listen to it. It's important to keep this in mind, especially if you're editing the text and then deciding to regenerate the audio. The same rule applies when you're working within the dubbing studio. Now, in Dubbing Studio, you actually have a built-in allowance of free credits when you start a dubbing project. This feature allows you to regenerate some clips without immediately impacting your monthly quota. But once you've used up those initial free credits, any further generations will start consuming credits from that monthly allowance. So how do you make the most out of your credits? There are a couple of neat tricks when it comes to the text-to-speech and voice changer functionalities. In the text-to-speech playground, you can actually get 2 free generations under specific circumstances. And trust me, knowing how to navigate these rules can save you credits in the long run. First, let's make sure the conditions are right. To qualify for these free regenerations, you'll need to generate directly on the website. Next, both the prompt for text-to-speech and the file for the voice changer must remain the same. What does this mean? Well, you can adjust the voice setting sliders, like pitch or speed, but the core prompt or file needs to stay unchanged. Another crucial point is the timing. The first generation needs to have been made less than 2 hours before you try to regenerate it. This encourages you to use the platform efficiently within a defined time frame. Additionally, you should not refresh the page or leave it since generating the original audio. Otherwise, you'll lose that opportunity for a free regeneration. Now, if you're in the right situation, look for the Regenerate Speech button. If you can see that option, it indicates that you still have remaining free regenerations. You can check how many you have left by hovering over that button, making it easy to keep track. Here's a quick tip. If you have the option to use those free regenerations, go for them first. They're there to help you, and utilizing them effectively ensures that you're maximizing your resources. After all, who doesn't want to stretch their credits, especially when you're using a powerful tool like ElevenLabs? Remember that managing your credits effectively can make your experience on ElevenLabs much more enjoyable. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that you're utilizing the platform to its fullest potential while minimizing costs. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to consider subscribing for more helpful tips like this. If you have any questions or need clarification on anything I mentioned, leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.